God says, I'm going to curse you and I'm going to curse your blessings because you left me. You forsaken me. You put something else before me. So one of the signs to know that you have left God is when your blessings become a curse. For an example, you make more money than you ever made before, but you still can't pay all of your bills on time because you're making more money, but your money is cursed because you're not treating God right with your money. Another sign is you've got accepted into your dream college. That's a blessing, but you can't afford it. That's a curse. You got accepted, but you can't even pay for tuition. That's a curse. You got married, and marriage is a blessing, but you're miserable in your marriage. That's a curse. Oh, you got your dream home. You love it, but you don't like to go home because it's hell when you get home. The house is a blessing, but it's cursed because it's not a home. See, a sign that you have lost touch with God is when the things in which God has blessed you with become a burden in your life. It was supposed to bring you joy, but now it's a burden.